Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your microphone is functional and set as the default device. This avoids detection problems later. Once done, open Start and type Windows Speech Recognition to launch the tool, select the correct mic profile, and follow the on-screen mic setup. The setup calibrates levels and trains for your voice, so speak clearly. Make sure background noise is minimal. This improves accuracy. Then click Next to proceed into the main listening mode. Now you train the system and start using commands. You should run the speech tutorial to learn essential commands and dictation behavior. It shows you how to insert punctuation and correct words. Once done, say, Start listening to activate recognition, then practice by opening apps and navigating menus, say, Open File Explorer, click View, or switch to desktop. For text, dictate into Notepad to test punctuation and corrections. Make corrections by saying correct that and choose the right word from the list. Finish by refining accuracy and adding efficiency. You can create custom macros or shortcuts with Windows Speech macros to automate repetitive sequences. This saves time. Make sure to revisit training and language settings and run additional voice training sessions. This reduces errors. Also set up common command phrases for apps you use daily. If recognition degrades, check microphone levels, microphone privacy permissions, and restart the speech recognition app. Sometimes toggling, allow apps to access microphone, fixes it. This is the key troubleshooting tip you want to try first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.